Does getting into your parked car feel like a hot oven with sizzling seats and scorching steering wheel? And why are sunshades so bulky and awkward to store? Not anymore. Introducing BrellaShield by Arctic Air, the fast, easy way to keep your car cool even on the most blistering hot days. Then when you return, just pop shut into this easy-to-store compact size. BrellaShield's clever design works just like an umbrella, and the universal size fits the windshield of trucks, cars, SUVs, and more. Watch, temperatures in this car are 125 degrees, but with BrellaShield, it's now 45 degrees cooler. Amazing! The best part? Just click the locking latch and it instantly collapses to the size of a water bottle. Now you can store it anywhere in your car without taking up space. You can't do that with an accordion visor. The secret? Flex Shield cooling technology that reflects intense heat and harmful UV rays from the sun to keep your car cooler guaranteed. With BrellaShield, everyone gets into the car without feeling extreme heat. Stay cool and comfortable while taking breaks between jobs. Or store behind the seat without taking up any legroom. No more scorching hot steering wheel or sun damage to your dash. If you can use an umbrella, you could use BrellaShield. And the sun-blocking protection keeps your car's interior looking brand new, saving you thousands. BrellaShield.